Hi, I'm Anna Denton-Jones, and in this week one of Knowledge November 2023, I am focusing on changes to contracts of employment. But before we look at changes, we need to actually establish what is in the contract to begin with, and terms in somebody's contract of employment can come from a number of different angles. Obviously, we've got what might be in a document that is titled contract or terms and conditions, but also other things can be incorporated into that contract. So I'm thinking particularly what we've said in offer letters, what we say in the staff handbook, what we might announce in terms of electronic communications with staff, on our intranet, all of those sorts of things. We'd want to look at all of that to determine what is contractual and what might be non-contractual. Now that might be delineated specifically. So in policies we might say this is a non-contractual thing. It doesn't mean we've got carte blanche to behave however we like, because of course there's the implied term of trust and confidence between the parties that we have to think about as well. Other things can get implied into the contract of employment. So custom and practice is one area which I'm sure you're familiar with, where over time, if something has always been done in a particular way, can it now be regarded as part of the contract? I'm thinking there particularly of benefits that have been communicated to the staff over a long period of time, such as, redundancy payments. If it's always been communicated that we will pay an enhanced amount, it might not be too surprising to find that a court would find that the next time round you also have to do the same as part of the contract of employment. Terms can be incorporated into the contract of employment from elsewhere as well. So collective agreements with trade unions being a classic example. So you do need to be thinking about where all of those terms come from, rather than just looking at that one piece of paper. And I think we can all be guilty sometimes of focusing solely on that document that has the title contract without looking more broadly at what might be around it on the edges. So give that some thought the next time you're thinking about what's in the contract of employment. If you've got any questions, it's adenton@refreshinglawltd.co.uk. Thank you very much.